Okay, this is a quick little video to show you how to convert units for length and area. So firstly, for length, we know the units for length are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. If we want to go from 1 kilometer to 1 meter, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equivalent to 1 millimeter. Using this information, we can work out how to transition from kilometers to meters. So 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, so we multiply the number of kilometers by meters. So if we had 2 kilometers, multiply it by 1,000, 2,000 meters. To go from meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100. So if we had 5.5 meters, we'd multiply that by 100 and we'd get 550. To go from centimeters to millimeters, because there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter, we multiply by 10. So 75 centimeters times times 10 would give us 750 millimeters. To go in the reverse order, from millimeters to centimeters, we do the reverse. We divide it by 10. And from centimeters to meters, we divide by 100. And from meters to kilometers, we divide it by 1,000. So a quick example of this, to convert 7.2 kilometers to meters, we take 7.2, we multiply it by the 1,000 meters, and we get 7,200 meters. And going the other way, to convert 530 centimeters to meters, so from centimeters to meters, we divide by 100, so 530 centimeters divided by 100 gives us 5.3 meters. So that's length. Now area is very similar, except in area we're actually talking about little squares. So a kilometer square, or a meter square, or a centimeter square, or a millimeter square. So that means that 1 kilometer square is still 1,000 meters, but it's 1,000 meters by 1,000 meters. So that's 1,000 square. And 1 meter square, similarly, is 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. So it's 100 centimeters squared. And 1 centimeter square is similarly 10 millimeter by 10 millimeters. So to convert kilometers to meters squared, we multiply it by 1,000 square. To go from meters squares to centimeter square, we multiply it by 100 squares. And by centimeter square to millimeter square, we multiply it by 10 squared. And going in the reverse, we divide by 10 squared, centimeters to meter, divide by 100 squared, meters to kilometers, divided by 1,000 squared. So if we're going from kilometers to meters squared, we can look at what that number looks like. So 1,000 squared is 1 million, so we multiply it by 1 million. From meters to centimeters, 100 times 100 is 10,000, and from centimeters to millimeters, 10 squared is 100. So how that looks up the top here, kilometers to meters, the 1,000 squared becomes 1 million. From meters to centimeters, the 100 squared becomes 10,000. And from centimeters to millimeters, the 10 squared becomes 100. So and obviously it works the reverse through when we're going from the smaller unit to the larger unit with the division. So let's look at how that converts. 72 meters squared, so we're going from meters squared to centimeters squared. We take the 42, and we multiply it by 10,000, and we get 420,000 meters squared. Missed the squared off there, don't you? So to convert the other way from millimeters to meters, okay, we've got 100, and then we've got 10,000, so we're going to have 1 million. So we're going to end up with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros here, plus the 2 zeros here. So we've got 35,000 divided by 1 million. We move the decimal place 6 places and we end up with 0.065. It should be meters squared. I've missed that squared off there again. Don't you miss that. Okay, so that's all there is to converting length and area for units.